Auto parts.
Needs oil, that's why.
Nick's Jeep, first startup in months.
It's got the oil light on. It's got like 100 pounds of pressure. The oil never comes
He just missed. Bad.
Hold on, I got another one. Watch out, Sam.
Redemption. There you go. God.
My turn.
Oh god, that's a ball. Put the bleep in there.
Yeah.
That's right, our video's gotta go up tomorrow.
Yep. Putting the accessories back on the 5 no.
Well, yeah. Is that lubed enough? I'd say lube it more. There's a lot on the seal itself. Look how much bigger that is.
It's the
It's
same.
boof.
It's
not.
Oh, lengthwise.
It's really not.
What if it doesn't fucking fit in there? That'd be just my luck. That's what's gonna happen. It's just my luck. Here, make sure something. Yeah, it's pretty close.
That's what it is when you do the 5.0 Rangers. That's always that you need to get a reroute kit that shoots it straight down.
Oh,
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, I thought the oil filter wasn't going on. I was like, burr it.
I want that sticker off there. It's pretty ugly. Damn it! It's gonna face straight up too.
Yeah.
Fuck! You know what? No, I'm not gonna stand for that.
No,
Dude,
I got
okay.
relax. You just peel the sticker off.
It's
end
on
of-
there.
End of the world. Thread tape. Try to prevent the small power steering.
Well, I went to her funeral, but this is like the burying of her ashes.
Mint. Out here, first fill up of the season for the Mustang. Take my money. We're about to throw the chain on the 5.0. It's about to go back in the car. Shit's getting real out here. The engine is getting ready. She's seating.
I'm trying to find the bag with like 16 bolts in it.
About to put the headers on.
header bolts.
Header bolts. You put the headers on and drop her in on the mount. Yee.
I got 2 O's. One for the toilets, one for the hose. Bring out your dad.
Almost got the second header on. First one's good.
Stupid bolt.
So, it's Sunday night. Trash goes on Monday. We threw away the old dipstick tube.
Found it.
Oh my god, no way. Look at that. What was even wrong with it?
It was just super bougie.
Oh, it's all crimped at the bottom. That's
Yeah, okay.
ruined.
I bent it back and forth, so I had like a little stud to put in the engine when I painted it.
Oh,
so paint wouldn't
okay.
get in there. Like,
Here's the actual straight piece. Oh.
yeah, it kept sticking out of the
It's
trash can.
tied into a monkey knot.
All right, well, we need this, so.
Sweet. All right.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hurry up, bro. Jesus Christ.
Hold on. I got this.
He wants it.
No.
Pile O Ranger. Hey, got the wave. What a guy. Oh, hey there. Yeah. Hi.
Taking so
Hey, Nick.
long. Hey,
$300.
deal.
Yes! Out here ripping the brigade of Nick's cars. We got Casey driving the Mustang up here. I'm driving mine / his old one. And then Nick's in the back with his old Jeep. Damn. Woo, we should get out of here. Nothing like shitting where you eat. Don't even. Okay. Into there.
I wonder if my brake booster is still over there.
So this is a great situation. There's like 16 really flammable pieces of wood and shit.
Oh, they
and
threw
then a
it.
gas
Tom,
can.
would you look at that?
Right
Tom,
there.
they threw it back.
Oh, they brought the Bruce. So this got returned to us.
Hey, this one's not bad though.
Now what do we do with this?
Here.
Yeet. That's not gonna work at all. God, you're just gonna wreck my roof.
Got gas all over me, dude.
Hey, don't smoke a cigarette anytime soon then.
Jesus.
It's never gonna.
Oh, damn it! No, you just wrecked the bed. Fuck.
Jackson, stand on a chair and like place it up there.
No, it'll
Stop! No!
Wait, Casey, throw it up there.
What?
I want to play baseball.
Oh God.
swing my ladder, swing.
Oh. Oh my God. Welcome back to the trap yard. WKG live here. Look at him. Ah! He get the camera. Look at him.
Alright, put it away.
Oh! You scared him. Here you go for the mud, little buddy. There you go. Alright, now he doesn't even want to go anywhere. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh! He's getting defensive. Go ahead, buddy. Oh.
Lost a lot of money.
Dude,
You lost a lot of money.
I risked my job for this money.
20, 40,
I literally put my job on the
60,
line for this money.
65, 75. Oh shit, it's more than 80.
It's 87.
It's like $86.
Yeah.
I can't give you the boner dollar. You get 86. I
Okay.
need to keep
Fair
some.
enough, fair enough.
Holy
Alright,
A couple
I-
bucks for your troubles.
Dude, oh my
Literally, I
Jackson.
went- Got some fun stuff for the Mustang in the mail today. Well, these puppies had a good run, but as you can see, they're a little bit past their expiration date. Same over here. They're a little used. So with that being said, we have the Mickey Thompson Street Comp. Oh God, with a box. Oh yeah. Back at it, putting parts on the 5.0. We got the distributor cap and all that stuff on, and the wires. Jesus.